Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an Italian apple cake. It is so quick and easy to make, great for a last minute dessert. Plus I'm going to top it off with this lemon sauce that's really going to give it extra flavor. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. To start, we need a small bowl that we're going to place our cubed apples with some sugar and lemon juice and just mix until combined. We want the lemon juice to make sure that help the apples not turn brown on us. And we want to just set that aside. In another large bowl, we want to add our butter and our eggs, and we just want to blend until everything is incorporated and somewhat fluffy. Then our dry ingredients are to be incorporated, and that will consist of our flour, our baking soda, and our cinnamon. And we want to blend all of that until it comes together. It might seem a little dry, but that's okay. Then we want to go ahead and add our apples into the batter, and we want to fold the apples and the batter together until all well combined. Add to our baking mold that has been greased and lined with parchment paper, and we want to bake that at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. While that's baking, we can go ahead and prepare our lemon sauce. In a saucepan, we want to add our sugar, our flour, and some water. We want to get that all mixed until there are no more lumps. Add our egg yolks to that until it is nice and creamy and smooth. We want to whisk all that together. Then add our butter. And once our butter is all melted and our sauce is nice and creamy, we can tell when it's ready if we were just to take a spoon, cover the backside, and run our finger. As long as it stays separated, we know that our sauce is ready. At that point, we can take our saucepan off the heat, add our lemon juice and our zest to combine, and just set that aside until we are ready to serve that with our cake. Before serving our cake, we can actually reheat our sauce if we find that it's too thick. The cake has now come out of the oven and it's cooled, and you could just put powdered sugar on it. You don't have to do the lemon glaze, but I love the lemon glaze. I think it just adds an extra flavor to it. So I'm just going to drizzle some of my lemon sauce over it, and there you have a beautiful dessert, great for last minute guests. And even though fall is apples, the lemon just kind of reminds you of that spring. Anyway, if you like this video, please go ahead and give us a like and a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about this dessert. I hope you try it. And until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.